Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to make a clean professional poster in Canva step by step. So yeah, if you've never designed anything before, don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. All right, so first thing, hover over the Create a Design button and type poster in the search box. Canva has a bunch of built-in poster sizes, but the standard one works great. Just open it up. Now, once the blank canvas loads, you'll see templates on the left side. Scroll through and pick something close to the vibe you want. If you're not sure, just choose one with simple text. It's easier to customize. Next, tap the text boxes and replace them with your own title, subtitle, or event details. Canva lets you change fonts, spacing, everything. Try to keep your headline short, like just one clear message. So, to match your branding or theme, click any element and change the color from the toolbar. You can move things around, resize them, delete stuff you don't need. Take a moment here to get the layout feeling balanced. If you want to add a photo, go to Uploads and drop in your own image. Or you can use Canva's stock photos, graphics, and icons. Just search for something like event, music, sale, whatever fits your poster. Before you download, zoom out a bit and check spacing, colors, and your text alignment. Sometimes just nudging things by a few pixels makes the whole poster look cleaner. All right, once everything looks good, click the Share button in the top right and choose Download. Canva recommends PNG for crisp posters. If you're printing, pick PDF print for the best quality. And yeah, that's really all it takes to make a poster in Canva step by step. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more quick design guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.